Today I want to show you how to set up and use your Ergobaby Evolve Bouncer. I will have a link in the description below for this specific model. First, what you want to do is take your bouncer out of the packaging and lay it flat on the floor like so. Next, you will grab the top and pull up till you hear a click. That will expose the foot pedal back here. So you'll see that there's a switch that has green, and then if you slide it over, it has red. Red means it's locked in place. That's when you should place your baby on it. And green means that you can change the height. There are 3 different height settings. The way that you change it is putting your foot on the pedal, pressing down, and then you can go medium, tall, and then the first setting is your low setting. So next, after that, you'll want to make sure once you get your setting right, you lock it in place, use it for the baby. So after that, if you'd like to take this on the go or move it or whatever you need to do, the way that you take it down and lay it flat is make sure that you're seeing green, and there's a tab right here. You pull out and then simultaneously press the pedal. It will lay back down flat and you can take it on the go. If you thought this video is useful, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you.